Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Care of Pharma. I am starting the lecture series of the pharmacognosy and it is the very first video. In this video, I will discuss about the introduction to pharmacognosy. In this topic, I will cover what is pharmacognosy, what are various aspects of pharmacognosy, what is the definition of pharmacognosy, crude drug, natural sources, natural products, various parts of the natural products, what are the role of the pharmacognosy in the pharmaceutical divisions. Okay, for those who don't know about the subject pharmacognosy, I am telling you that it is very interesting subject and has fundamental sources which improve your knowledge for the drug discovery, quality control of herbal drugs, different types of the metabolites, their formations, sources, uses, and so on. Okay, let's start with the definitions. Pharmacognosy, it is a Greek word and derived from the two Greek words, that is pharmakon and the gignosko. Okay, pharmakon means the drug and gignosko means to acquire knowledge. So basically pharmacognosy means to acquire knowledge about the drugs. If you consider the definitions, the definition of the pharmacognosy is the study of medicines or crude drugs produced from the natural sources such as plant, microbes, animals, and minerals. Okay, now from the definition we heard the two new terms, that is crude drugs and the natural sources. The crude drugs is basically the products from the natural sources found as the raw form. Okay, and the natural sources such as plants, microbes, animals, mineral, and fungus. Now marine sources are added also. In this subject we are talking about the crude drug or natural product come from the natural sources. Okay, so what is natural product? Natural product is a chemical compound or substances produced by the living organism that is found in nature. Plant and organisms are used in the variety of the ways in the production of conventional and the alternative medicines. In beneficial active ingredients of the plant may be found anywhere in its physical structure such as petal, flower, stem, bark, root, rhizome, bud, etc. Okay, in the slide, that is what is crude drug, the definition of crude drugs. The crude drugs is naturally occurring substances found from the various parts of the plant, animal, microbes, or fungus in a raw form without any process except the drying and the size reduction. So that means the crude drugs are mainly found from the natural sources. To such extent it may be dried and the size reduced product, but basically they are natural sources. Okay, they are the drug found from the natural sources. For simplification we are taking an example, that is we are taking a plant which represent the natural source. Here it is a natural source. As I previously told you that natural sources like plant, microbes, various microorganisms. Okay, here it is a natural source and various parts of it represent the crude drugs. It may be fresh or dried. Okay, such as flower. Flower can be used as the crude drug, which is used as prevention, cure, and the treatment purpose. For example, clove, artemisia, saffron, etc. Clove is used in the toothache, food, beverage, and the flavoring agent. Saffron may be used as asthma, cough, whooping cough, and expectorant also, though it is not a clove or saffron, but I am representing it. Okay, next is leaf. Leaf is also can be used as a crude drug, used as an expectorant, antitussive, bronchodilator, cardiovascular disease, vasoconstrictor, etc. For example, the leaves are Stromonium, ephedra, digitalis, argot, belladonna, datura, senna, and so on. Many of leaves are used as a crude drug. Okay, the roots like Rauwolfia, Ipecacuanha, aconite, jalap. Okay, and these are used to treat hypertension, amoebic dysentery, anxiety, cathartic, purgative. So there are so many natural sources and natural product, that is root, leaves, cloves. They are used in various healthcare disease. Okay, healthcare and the various disease. And the next one is bark. Bark may be cinchona, curchi, cinnamon, qualia. They are used as anti-malarial drug, anti-amoebic, foot and mouth disease, etc. So there are so many products, like rhizomes are there, buds are there, fruits are there, fruit seeds are there, which are also used as a crude drug. Okay. Sometimes whole plant can be used as a crude drug, or some parts can be used, are also used. Beside these parts like flower, fruit, stem, root, rhizome, bark, and other portion can be used. Okay, other portion of the plant can be used, such as resin, juice, extract. Okay, so we will make a separate video for this. Okay, so next is the natural sources. The natural sources means from where we can get the natural product or the crude drugs. The sources may be plant, animal, microbes, fungus, mineral, and the marine sources. Okay, the examples are here. You can see there's plant, animal, fungus, minerals. Okay, these are the example, like acacia, benzene, cinchona, ergot are the examples of plant. Bees, fish, red scale insect, mask deer, even moth, silk moth, they are used as the animal sources. And fungus like amanitas, Mexican ball cactus, they are the example of fungus natural source. And the mineral source are bismuth, calcium, magnesium, silicates. So these are the natural sources, and we can get the crude drugs from here to prevent the various disease and healthcare related problem. So there are so many formulations by which we can get easily consume or take those crude drugs. I will make a separate video for this topic. Okay, so in this video we can easily summarize that what is crude drugs, what is natural products, what are the natural sources, what are the various parts of the plants, their use, examples. Okay, in next video we will discuss the history of pharmacognosy, and we will go through the details about that particular topic. Okay, so thank you watching for this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and please share this video. And for more updated video about pharmacy, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you have any questions regarding this topic, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.